Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to put Do Not Disturb on WhatsApp. First of all, open WhatsApp. Go to Calls. Let's go back to the home page. Because this feature is not specifically for WhatsApp, so for that you have to go to Sound Settings. Tap on Do Not Disturb. By this, your phone will not ring or vibrate except for alarms and timers. Turn it on, the status bar will show a moon icon when Do Not Disturb is on. Go to WhatsApp. Here there are calls, but your phone did not ring. That's how you can put your phone on Do Not Disturb mode. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, share, and subscribe.